job.
Hey, long single.
Good job, way to get it in. Let's go, Cano.
Let's get the next one, kid.
Come on, Brian. Come on, dog. Healthy, let's go now. Hey, now find a way to get him over. Do something. Hey, see it in the dirt, gotta go hard. Short backstop. Hey, get him in your zone, hit him hard. Watch the dirt ball. Now, boy, when you're ready, come on.
Kev.
Pitch hitter. Pitch hitter. John for Saeed. Come on, John, show me why. Ryan! All right, not you. Get something you can handle. Sam! Come on, find a battle, 4-5. Way to start, kid. John.
Kid looks scared. He really does.
Yeah, some of them are just holding on. I didn't pick the team, I just coached it.
Yeah.
Like, you want to coach it? We'll pay you. Okay. Some of them are big kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. What that?
Got one job on fire. No fucking.
He hasn't impressed me.
Good spot.
This kid's pretty good. Is he going to college?
He's going to the University of Delaware. I don't know if he's playing though. I think he might try to walk on.
Yeah, maybe. Was he like 83?
82, 83.
Yeah. Got the good slider.
Yeah, he
stronger,
does.
you never know.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
Way to pitch, kid. Let's go.
Good idea.
Come on!
Thank you. Good boy, Evan. Keep working. Let's lean on something. Let's go. Tie it up. Come on, Evan. Okay. You like it. If you like it. Top. Same.
out, here. Stay here, Ev.
Come on, Ev. Not you.
Put this out here, Ev.
Good.
Working hard. Brian.
Come on.